Hello everyone, welcome to CSCI287 Data Structures Hands-on Practice. In this video, we will introduce single linked list implementation in Java. In particular, how to implement the main method to create a single linked list and test the created list. So far, we have implemented the essential components of the linked list class, including the head of the list, constructor of the linked list class, add method, delete method, and display list method. In order to instantiate a linked list class as an object, we must start from the main method, which is the entry point of the application. In order to test the add method in the linked list class, we use the following test cases. The first step is to create an empty linked list. We will name this linked list object as my list. Once the empty linked list is created, we will create a node to store 7 and add a node to the end of the list. The next, we will add 11 to the end of the list. Then we will add 3 to the end of the list. Last, we will add 26 to the end of the list. To this end, we have add 4 numbers. We display the entire list and show the number of nodes in the list by using the display list method. So we will display the total number of nodes in the square bracket. In order to test the delete method, we ask the user to specify a value to be deleted. Assume that a user attempts to delete 11 from the list. After the node 11 is deleted, we should have 7, 3, 26. In order to achieve this, we need to create a scanner. So in order to use scanner, don't forget you need to import java.util.scanner. And we name the scanner object as KBS. And we try to scan the system.in, which is the keyboard. Next is we want to display a message to ask user to enter a value for deletion. So the message will be, please enter a value to be deleted. And then we try to read the value from the keyboard. And we will store the value in a variable val delete. Once we get the value entered from the keyboard, now we can try to delete the value from the list. After performing the deletion, we can display the entire list again. Because we already defined the length variable in here, so we cannot define the second time. Okay. So now the main method is complete. we can save the program, try to compile it to ensure there is no compile error, and then we can test run. As you can see, after adding the phone number, we have 7, 11, 3, 26, and the total number of node is shown in the square bracket, which is 4. Then the system will display, please enter a value to be deleted. As in our test case, we want to delete 11, so we enter 11 here. So after delete the 11, you will see we have 7, 3, 26, and the total number of node is 3. Of course, you can try again. Now, this round, we will delete number 3. So you can see, after delete number 3, we have 7, 11, 26, and the length of the list is 3. The next round, we can try to delete something that is not in the list. For example, we delete 10, which is not a number in the list. So as you can see, the program will show you the entered value cannot be found. So the total number of node still 4, and we still have 7, 11, 3, 26. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.